Today's world demands an economical and environmentally sound method of solid waste disposal and recycling. The goals and objectives of safety, sanitation, industry, and governmental regulations require a technologically superior solution. Your waste specialist presents the solution. Marathon Solid Waste Compaction Systems. For more than 2 decades, the Marathon Equipment Company has pioneered the development and production of on-site solid waste compaction systems. Specialization, state-of-the-art research, years of on-site testing, and tens of thousands of systems installed has created the most advanced and quality-rich systems available. The world leader, Marathon Solid Waste Compaction Systems. Let's examine generally how a Marathon compactor system works. The system consists of 2 main assemblies, a compactor and a container. The waste is placed in an opening in the compactor. Inside is a heavily built crushing ram which is pushed back and forth by a special hydraulic cylinder. The ram is forced forward into the container. It pushes the waste in front of it, packing the waste into the container. Each stroke packing in more and more waste. A Marathon compactor, exerting 20 to 50 tons of muscle, crushes plastic bags of waste, furniture, white goods, and other matter, typically reducing the volume of waste by 75%. And even more substantial reduction ratios are obtainable. After the container is filled with crushed waste, your hauler removes it to a disposal site, empties it, and returns it to you. A compactor system engineered for the property manager has many benefits. Property managers have reported these benefits when using a Marathon trash compactor system. Reduced grounds housekeeping cost. Lower pavement maintenance cost. Fewer tenant complaints. Reduced insurance risk. Better control over solid waste disposal cost. A Marathon compactor can reduce grounds housekeeping cost. It eliminates open containers. Open containers inevitably experience weekend overflow, invite scavenging, and allow the wind to blow waste out of the container. These are the primary causes of garbage littering each container site. Every week you must send out a crew to pick up this litter, adding substantial cost to your monthly garbage bill. If your tenant's waste is not compacted, many containers are required for storage. The hauler's truck must service each container more frequently, drastically shortening the life of the pavement. So add to the cost of garbage service the extra cost for maintaining your pavement. Open containers attract tenant complaints, pesky flies and bees, or the raunchy smell of garbage makes your complex seem less than inviting. Open containers attract children. They seem to be compelled to either climb it or to climb into it as though it were a playhouse. But you're often the one who pays the penalty when the child is injured or when a tenant is hurt by a falling container lid. Warning signs won't solve these problems. A Marathon trash management compactor will. In many areas of the country, the cost of disposal is becoming more expensive than the collection cost. Open containers cannot be weighed each time they're emptied, which would allow assessment of an accurate disposal charge. And there's no way you can be sure each container is truly filled before emptying. A Marathon trash management compactor can help cut your cost. To solve your waste disposal problems, precisely what should you expect of a trash management compactor? How is the crushing ram guided and supported? It should not be moving back and forth, riding directly on the floor, grinding away metal with each stroke. Marathon's compactors use rams guided and supported by graphite-impregnated cast iron shoes riding on special wear strips attached to tracks formed into the steel plate sides of the compactor body. Marathon's guided ram provides 2 additional benefits. First, more force is available to crush and force refuse or recyclable waste into the container. As much as 10% of the force is lost to friction in compactors with floor-riding rams. Secondly, the strength of steel is greatly increased when corrugated, as occurs when the ram guide channel is press-formed into the body side plate. A scientifically designed and constructed Marathon compactor has other less visible features of equal importance. The electrical control panel, for example. Marathon is proud of the unique distinction granted it by Underwriters Laboratory. All of Marathon's electrical control panel assemblies carry the UL label, and all of Marathon's electrical assembly personnel are sanctioned by UL to build these products in strict compliance with UL's high standards. Marathon's Trash Commander series of compactors employ its patented Cycon Life Extender. Cycon, an advanced electrical system, eliminates troublesome switches. Marathon's extensive experience has proven that limit and pressure switches cause more service calls than any other components used on compactors. A Marathon exclusive option is called the Trash Manager. Measuring and indicating degrees of container fullness, it enables the operator to better anticipate when hauling service will be required. The Trash Manager provides advance notice to the hauler, which gives him a better opportunity to provide quality service, so the compactor is available when you need it most. Marathon trash management systems work for the property manager because they can be installed in many different configurations. Adaptable to any terrain, a Marathon trash management system can be on grade or below grade, making the installation as attractive as possible. Just as you've centralized your laundry and mail facilities, your compactor can be located conveniently for your tenants' use. Your Marathon trash management compactor should be equipped so only the person you authorize can operate it. Marathon trash management systems are available for those who wish to provide door-to-door service. Your waste specialist in Marathon thank you for this opportunity to present our industry's most modern and efficient means of coping with your solid waste disposal needs. Decades of experience conveyed through the production and sale of tens of thousands of compactor systems gives Marathon a unique perspective into the needs of solid waste generators. A perspective that translates into the benefits and quality that will get you out of the garbage business and back into the business of making money.